Hey guys, it's me again, Whiteboard Wealth, and I'm back again. So as I promised you from the previous video, if you haven't watched the previous video, you won't even know how we're actually here right now. So as I promised you guys, I would come back with an update when I finally understood the reason why Bitcoin dropped. So here it goes. It said Bitcoin dropped below 50,000 amid tax and momentum concerns. So according to this here, Bloomberg, Bitcoin declined for the seventh time in 8 days, extending losses after President Joe Biden was set to propose almost doubling the capital gain tax for the wealthy. Oh my god, I remember this. Oh my god, I remember Joe Biden did say this. He did say this. The slider pushed Bitcoin down as much as 5.8% to about $48,596 as it continues to lose momentum. JP Morgan Chase and Co. and something Capital Advisor LLC had recently warned there was a potential for further downslide after the largest cryptocurrency fell back from its record high of $64,870 on April 14th. And took the key. Oh my god, that is the exact reason. It makes complete sense. It makes complete sense because I don't know if you guys followed along when it was elections time, when Joe Biden did say that he is going to impose higher tax on those that are earning, I think it's 400,000 or more, something around that. Correct me, don't quote me on that. But he did say that, listen, I'm going to increase the tax on you guys. Yes, as I was saying, Joe Biden did say that he was going to impose higher taxes. Hence why Bitcoin, oh my god, hence why Bitcoin has dropped and all the other cryptocurrencies have dropped. Because let me continue reading down here. Tax concerns may be weighing into U.S. investors in the digital asset, which has advanced more than 70% this year despite its recent pullback, already facing a capital gain tax if they sell cryptocurrency after holding it for more than a year. But the coins being one of the best performing assets in the recent years. Anyone who bought a year ago is sitting on nearly 575% gain. For investors who bought in around 2019, it's roughly 800%. One of the biggest thing you have to worry about is the thing with the biggest gains are going to be susceptible to selling, said Matt. Oh my god, so that is the reason right there. You see, as I said on this channel, we give you the news live, and it doesn't matter the time, we follow the trends and we give you the news. So what you want to go ahead and do is like and subscribe, because I'm up late making this video for you guys, because I did promise to make you guys this video. So there you have it, the reason why Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies are dropping. So guys, make sure to make sure to leave a comment down below if there was something that wasn't clear that I said. Make sure to leave a comment down below and I will get back to those comments and I'll read them in the morning. I'll reply, and have a great day cryptoing, because this isn't the end. Okay, this isn't the end. I'll see you very soon, guys. Stay cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out.